Buying from SD Bullion is simple, but the real cost isn't the spot price. The biggest mistake first-time buyers make is thinking spot price is the checkout price. With SD Bullion, like any dealer, your real cost includes the spread, the premium you pay now, plus what you'll usually give up when you sell. That spread changes a lot based on what you pick, so product choice is where value is won or lost. Your payment method can also change the total, and shipping takes time, so prioritize insured delivery over speed. Before you click Buy, decide what you're trying to accomplish, because that choice should drive the product. Coins often cost more than bars, but major coins can be easier to recognize and resell. Next, choose your metal mix: gold for compact value, silver for more ounces and volatility, and other metals only if you understand the market. Also think about size. A single 1-ounce item is simple, but smaller pieces can give flexibility later. Finally, be realistic about your exit spread. Once you've picked a product on SD Bullion, price it the way a dealer does: spot plus premium, not spot alone. If your goal is low friction cost, bars often carry a lower spread than popular coins, but check recognition and resale demand. Then look for quantity price breaks. Buying 2 or 5 can drop the per ounce premium. Choose payment carefully because cards usually cost more than bank methods. Before checkout, estimate your exit cost and confirm shipping and insurance details. Checkout is where people create expensive mistakes, so treat it like a one-and-done submission. Your payment method determines clearing time. Bank transfers and checks can take a few business days, while cards clear fast but usually come with higher fees built into pricing. Expect an address match step. It's a normal anti-fraud control for precious metals. After you place the order, watch the order status and don't panic if it sits in processing. And never place a second order because you think the first didn't go through. Wait and confirm. Delivery and storage are where good purchases turn into bad outcomes, so manage the risks. If you miss delivery, avoid reroutes or weird instructions that can break the chain of custody. If a box shows up torn or suspicious, document it immediately. Photos first, then open carefully. If you receive the wrong item, verify the exact product details and contact support with clear records. Save invoices, tracking, and confirmation emails. And don't assume you can replace it at spot. Premiums matter. Store it based on your risk level, not convenience. A small premium difference, like $3 to $5 per ounce on silver, adds up fast over a real order. If you want help comparing real total costs across dealers and products, the Smart Investor matches you to providers based on your goals and shows the dollar cost difference over time. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.